The best mirrorless cameras now rival the best DSLRs for image quality, features and versatility, and are much better adapted for travel photography and video. But which is the best mirrorless camera to buy today? Well, keep watching. Today we are going to review top 5 mirrorless camera of this year. We are going to start our list with a camera from the Nikon. It's Nikon Z6. Some might see the Nikon Z6 as a poor relation to the more expensive 45.7 megapixel Nikon Z7, but the Z6 has the same amazing build quality, in-body stabilization and controls, and it's far more versatile. The Z6 has a wider ISO range, full frame, no crop, 4K video and an even faster 12 FPS continuous shooting frame rate. Nikon claims up to 5 stops of shake compensation from the in-body image stabilization system, while the build quality is superb, with a magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, and a 200,000 shot shutter life. When you factor in its more affordable price tag, we think the Z6 is one of the best mirrorless cameras you can buy right now. The range of native Nikon Z lenses is steadily increasing, and you can use any current Nikon DSLR lens right now via Nikon's Z50 Z lens adapter. The new flagship of the Fujifilm range now has in-body stabilization, so the next camera in our list is Fujifilm XD4. The Fujifilm XD3 was a tough act to follow, with high-speed continuous shooting, advanced autofocus and class-leading 4K video capabilities, but the Fujifilm XD4 takes things up another notch. Practically everything we wanted in the XD3 is here, including in-body stabilization, a vari-angle touchscreen display and better battery life. We still want more, of course, including better buffer depth and continuous shooting mode, but that would just be the icing on the cake. The XD4 isn't just a terrific stills camera, of course. It also has cutting-edge 4K video performance, with 60p 10-bit internal recording. So if you like Fujifilm, you can go with this. As always, the link is in the description below. The next camera in our list is from Olympus. Maybe you heard of this name before. It's Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III. The Olympus OMD EM5 III is an exceptional camera and a worthy successor to the highly regarded Olympus OMD EM5 Mark II. This new camera uses Olympus's latest 20.4 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, and while this might put some people off, these sensors are smaller than APS-C. The image quality is very close, and it allows Olympus cameras and lenses to be especially small and portable. This new camera's abilities are amazing, including excellent 5.5 EV in-body stabilization, an amazing 30 FPS Pro capture mode with 14-shot pre-buffering, C4K and 4K UHD video, live composite and live bulb modes and more. For the crown of all-round best mirrorless camera, the smaller sensor might put some users off, but no other mirrorless camera has this blend of features, performance and compactness. You already hear the name of Fujifilm before, and our next camera in the list is also from the same brand. It's Fujifilm XD30. The XD30 has the second highest resolution APS-C sensor currently on the market and one of the most highly sophisticated autofocus systems. The XD30 combines a compact body, affordable price and powerful photographic tools. It's small, portable and easy to use, but with 4K video and its external shutter speed and aperture controls, it's a great buy for both video fans and regular stills photographers. The XD4's video features are just that little bit better, and some might find the XD30's body just a little too small, but we reckon its blend of size, value and performance makes the XD30 one of the best mirrorless camera on the market for all-round appeal. Well, you have reached the top and the best camera on our list today. The Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 was introduced in late 2019, joining Nikon's more advanced full-frame Z6 and Z models. The Z50 proved quickly to be far more than just a stripped-back version of these bigger cameras, though. Nikon managed to work a satisfyingly chunky hand grip onto this small frame for a superior handling experience, while also including 11 FPS burst shooting for action photography and high-quality 4K video. Best of all is the superb 16 to 50mm pancake kit lens available as part of kit, and the price, which has clearly been specifically tailored to undercut similar offerings from Fujifilm and Olympus. The Z50 is a superb but affordable camera for a wide range of photographers at all sorts of skill levels. The Nikon Z50 has really impressed us with its performance and value. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.